Stop everything you're doing right now. If you have a YouTube channel or you're planning to start one, the algorithm just changed in a way that quietly wiped out 90% of creators overnight. Channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers suddenly dropped to 0 views. Others exploded past 1 million subscribers in weeks. This isn't hype. This is the brutal reality of 2026. Google's Gemini AI is now fully running the show, watching every single frame of your video like a hawk. Ignore this, and your channel dies. Adapt fast, and I'll show you exactly how, and you could dominate like never before. Stay until the end, because I'll reveal the one hidden mistake killing most channels right now and the simple fix that saved mine. Let's go. YouTube didn't just update, it transformed. The old playbook? Dead. The rules that worked in 2024 and 2025, mostly useless now. We're in a new era where AI doesn't guess what your video is about. It knows, and it decides in seconds whether to push you to millions or bury you forever. The scariest part? When I first saw the data, it hit me hard. Thousands of real creators, people pouring their hearts into content, got crushed, not because their videos were bad, but because the new Gemini-powered algorithm flagged them as low trust or low satisfaction. But the flip side is insane opportunity. Creators who understand the new system are growing faster than at any point in YouTube history. So let's break it down, step by step, what actually changed, why 90% are failing, and exactly what you need to do to not just survive, but thrive in 2026. First, Gemini AI is now in complete control. This isn't just an upgrade. Gemini is Google's most advanced AI, smarter, faster, and more perceptive than anything before. And it's analyzing your videos on a level we've never seen. It doesn't care about your tags anymore. It doesn't rely heavily on titles or thumbnails like before. Instead, it watches your video frame by frame. It listens to every word you say. It reads all on-screen text. It detects tone. Is this funny, serious, sarcastic, emotional? It even analyzes pacing, visuals, and editing rhythm. In other words, the AI now judges the actual quality and intent of your content, not the wrapper around it. This is huge, because for years, creators could game the system with clickbait titles and misleading thumbnails. That era is over. Gemini sees through the packaging and evaluates the product inside. But here's why this change is actually the best thing for real creators. When Gemini truly understands your video, the topic, emotion, style, and value, it can send it to the perfect audience. Not random scrollers, not mildly interested people who leave after 5 seconds. The exact viewers who already love content like yours. The ones who watch the full video, comment, like, subscribe, and binge your channel. That's why we're seeing small creators go from 0 to 100,000 views on a single video. That's why some channels are gaining 10,000 subscribers a month with no ads. Gemini is matching great content with hungry audiences better than ever, but only if your content is genuinely good, only if it delivers, only if it satisfies. And that brings us to the dark side of this update. The reason so many channels are dying. YouTube now has a hidden trust score for every single channel. Think of it like a credit score, but for creators. It's not shown in analytics. You can't see it, but it controls everything. How much your videos get recommended, how fast you grow, even whether your channel stays alive. Low trust score, your videos get shown to fewer people. Engagement drops, views tank, algorithm stops pushing you, channel slowly dies. High trust score. YouTube floods your videos with traffic. So how does Gemini calculate this trust score? It watches your behavior like a detective. Do you only upload and never engage? Red flag. Is your account brand new with no history? Suspicious. Do you post 10 videos a day with no interaction? Looks like a bot or content farm. Are your videos AI-generated slop with no human touch? Instantly flagged. In late 2025, YouTube went on a purge. Thousands of channels, many using fully AI-generated content, got demonetized, age-restricted, or straight up terminated. Even some real creators got hit by mistake because their patterns looked automated. So how do you build and protect your trust score in 2026? Here are the proven fixes, the ones that saved my channel. 1. Use an aged Google account. Don't create a fresh Gmail just for YouTube. Use one you've had for years. Bonus points if you have YouTube Premium, Google One, or any paid Google service. That history screams real human to Gemini. 2. Act like a real person from day one. Watch videos. Like them. Comment genuinely. Subscribe to channels in your niche. Reply to comments on your own videos fast, as human behavior boosts trust fast. 3. Make a transparent channel trailer, your secret weapon. Most creators skip this or slap a random video there. Huge mistake. Your trailer is the first thing YouTube and human reviewers check when evaluating your channel. In your trailer, introduce yourself, even if faceless, use voiceover. Explain your niche clearly and show your process, clips of scripting, researching, editing. Be real. I spend hours researching so you get accurate info. This proves intent. It proves you're human. It answers questions before they're asked. I've seen channels recover from strikes just because of a strong trailer. 4. Avoid patterns that scream automation. Don't upload at the exact same time every day like clockwork. Vary it. Don't post 5 videos in 10 minutes. Space them naturally. Now let's talk about the biggest unspoken change. Viewer satisfaction. YouTube's #1 goal is no longer get clicks. It's keep people happy on the platform. Clickbait still gets clicks, but if viewers feel tricked, they leave fast, don't come back, and trust YouTube less. Fewer ads watched equals less money for YouTube. So Gemini now measures satisfaction. Did viewers watch longer than expected? Did they engage positively? Did they return to your channel? Did they feel they got what was promised? Creators who overpromise and underdeliver, punished. Creators who deliver real value, entertain, educate, or inspire, rewarded massively. This is why storytelling, pacing, energy, and authenticity matter more than ever. Not to game the algorithm, but because they make viewers happy, and happy viewers equals more recommendations. Another massive shift, viewer modeling. Every single YouTube user now has an AI-built profile. What they watch, how long, what makes them click, what makes them leave, what satisfies them. Gemini uses this to predict, with scary accuracy, what each person wants next. Your video doesn't compete with every video on YouTube. It competes only within super specific viewer models. That's why niching down is no longer optional, it's mandatory. If your content is too broad, lifestyle plus tech plus motivation, Gemini doesn't know who to show it to. Reach stays tiny, but if you're laser focused, say AI tools for beginners, or true crime cold cases, or minimalist productivity for parents, the algorithm knows exactly where to send it. Consistency is also being rewarded more than ever. YouTube loves active, consistent creators, but making shorts daily alongside long form, it's exhausting unless you use the right tools. That's why I rely on Nexus Clips. It's the AI tool that changed everything for me. Upload one long form video. It automatically finds the best hooks, adds captions, zooms, and turns it into 5 to 10 viral ready shorts in minutes. No more spending hours clipping manually. Now I post daily shorts without burning out. It signals consistency to the algorithm and explodes reach. Final truth, 2026 is the most competitive but also most rewarding year ever for real creators. The channel's dying, they're chasing old tricks, pumping low effort content, or ignoring trust and satisfaction. The channel's exploding. They're building trust early, niching deep, delivering insane value, staying consistent, and letting Gemini do the heavy lifting by matching them with perfect audiences. You don't need millions of subs to win. You need the right strategy in this new AI-driven era. So tell me in the comments, which change scares you most? The trust score, viewer satisfaction, or the end of clickbait? Like this video if you're ready to survive 2026. Subscribe and hit the bell. I'm dropping weekly updates on what's actually working right now. Your channel isn't dead yet, but 2026 waits for no one. Let's make this your breakout year. I'll see you in the next one.